Okay, this is a Miele G1140SCI semi-integrated dishwasher. I need to replace the bottom door sill, which I have. So the way to do this is to take the front door off, which is two screws at the side, which is in there, two of them either side, which you loosen off. The front comes off with a door panel. Then there's 6 screws on the side there. They obviously fit in 1, 2, and the third one, and you got the same the other side. That then takes the cover off. As you can see, there's a sill there just starting to leak on the very corner, but the main part of the sill's gone inside, so that's the part that needs replacing. So all in all, quite an easy job, which I must admit, Miele want to charge you £125, and it's taken me literally about 8 minutes to get this far with stripping it down.